So last class we learned how to convert from mass to moles and from moles to mass. Okay. So to go from mass to moles, we need to divide by our molar mass. Okay. And to go from moles to mass, we need to multiply by the molar mass. Okay. And we can calculate moles for atoms like lithium, potassium, etc. Or molecules. Okay. Things like PbSO4, H2O, etc. Okay. Now, I said molar mass. What is molar mass? Well, the molar mass for atoms, if you're looking at the periodic table, is just the number at the bottom. So for carbon, the molar mass is 12.011 grams. So you would just use that to help you with your calculations. Okay. For molecules, you're going to have to do a calculation to get the molar mass. So I'm going to use the example of magnesium phosphate. So magnesium phosphate is this, Mg3, and then in parentheses, PO4, 2. Okay. So we have 3 magnesiums. We have 2 phosphoruses. And we have, erase this. We have 2 times 4, so 8 O's. Okay, you're going to go to your periodic table and find those atoms, those elements on the periodic table. Well, each magnesium atom weighs 24.305 grams. Each phosphorus atom weighs 30.974 grams. And each oxygen weighs 15.999 grams. So we're not rounding anything yet. We're going to now expand. So we're going to say, all right, 3 times 24.305, that's 72.915. And for phosphorus, it's 61.948. And for the 8 oxygens, it's 127.992. I'm going to add all of these up. And I get my molar mass of 262.855 grams. Cool. So that's the molar mass of magnesium phosphate, of 1 mole of magnesium phosphate. Okay, so I am going to expect for you to show all of this work on your problems calculating the molar mass in order for you to get full credit. Okay. So I have a question here it says, if you have 0.59 moles of magnesium phosphate, how many grams are there? Well, I know that when I go from moles to grams, I have to multiply. Okay. And I'm going to be multiplying by its molar mass. And we just calculated its molar mass right up here. Okay. So I'm going to say, all right, we have 0.59 moles of Mg3PO42. And I'm going to multiply that times the mass, 262.855 grams. Okay, I'm going to round to the same number of digits that I'm given in my problem. So, or to the nearest whole number. Okay, so I'm going to round it to, my answer comes out to be 155 grams. Okay, I'm going to put that in a square. Make sure your answer has a unit on it. Okay. So we just went from moles to grams. Now let's go the opposite way. So if you have 37.9 grams of magnesium phosphate, how many moles are there? Well, if you have grams and you're going to moles, you need to divide. Okay, and you're going to divide by, again, that molar mass. We have 37.9 grams. And we're going to divide by the molar mass, which we calculated previously, 262.855. Okay. Calculate that out. Round it to 3 digits, because that's what this number has. It has 3 digits. Okay. 0.144 moles. Okay, and that's the end of this video.